Hey, what's going on, everybody? Memphis J here, and I got a quick review. I know y'all out there in YouTube land love your Harbor Freight. You love your horrible fake tools. So I ran into a hazard that I needed to fight, so I went to the hazard front, and I got this 6-inch swivel vise with anvil, and so I'm in the middle of doing my U-joints on my 2005 Envoy, and tried to do it with a C-clamp, but I got 3 to pop, and I just popped my third one right here, so I feel pretty confident after putting it through some pretty serious stress. You can see this one is completely popped here. So back it up. So far, I'd say so far so good. I always like to really break these things in before I give my full opinion on them. But if you're wondering whether or not the 6-inch is strong enough to deal with some, medium duty stuff like smashing a U-joint out, it's totally handled it pretty good. We've had it up pretty wide. Let's see. I had it up. It's still, I'm getting 6 1/4, and it's still, yeah, I got it up to about almost 6 1/2. So you got a little bit of room on it. I haven't really used this anvil, they say here, but anyway, how it looks and how it works. I'll move this out of the way there. Anyway, you tighten these down. Loosen them like that. And there's one on the other side. You want to loosen it as well. And then this will fully articulate. It's a little bit wobbly. It's not the perfect German engineering or anything like that, but it's going to get the job done. You do want to think ahead and get some bolts that will fit down here. Let me see, back that up a bit. I'll move them so you can see it. See, I got a bolt running through here. But I mean, this is just a ordinary kind of little particle board orient OSB tabletop on this workbench, and I did put it right above my support so it would be pretty well supported. But man, we've been banging on it pretty hard, and so far she's not giving us anything to cry about. So that's about all you can expect for this. Was I think sub $60. I think it was $69.99. We saw it in the ad for $62. Sent my buddy to the store with cash. He told her it's $62 and scanned the 20% and gave it to her. So anyway, feel like I've taken up enough of your time. I'm gonna say peace. Thanks for checking out this video. I'd recommend it. I'd get it again if I had to so far. I'll check back in if I have some problems. I'll let you know. Alright. Hey, like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Peace. Mother son of a yeah. Mother son of a yeah. Put this place back together. Let's make sure this torch is off. Don't want to blow up. Oh shit, are y'all still here? Well, alright.